So guys, good evening. I hope you are all fine. So, so today I have come to talk to you after a long day. So how are you all? First of all, I hope you are doing well and you are having great time. So we are learning English and we are practicing our speaking skills. Yes, yes. So we should practice more and more as much as we can practice. Yes, always we need to practice because we have much time and every time in our life is important. We should not waste time because we know time goes once, can never be regained. Yes, and time goes fast. Time goes very fast. We know, and our life is very short. In this time, we need to do different something in life. Yes, yes, we know us, we know, but we don't do different things in life. And that's why we are unable to be successful. But we try to be successful in life to be different something. Yes, and to make our life be happy. Yes, so that's why we need to hard work. We need to hard work and different something we need to do in life that we might be successful in more. So, so we need to hard work. We need to do smart one. So we need to do smart one because hard working person cannot do well in life. But who do smart works only they are successful in life. Yes, we know this really. So always we need to do smart work and we need to be successful doing smart work. So viewers, so let's promise that we will be successful one day and let's help each other. Okay? And let's help one another to be successful in life and to make our life be useful.